Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to put a PayPal donation button on Weebly. But if you're looking to accept donations through your website, this is one of the simplest ways to set it up and start receiving support from your visitors. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites. Look over to the left menu where you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on that, and directly underneath it, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that as well. Now you'll be prompted to choose which website you want to edit. Select the site where you'd like to add the PayPal donation button, and once you've made your selection, look toward the right side of the screen. You'll see an Edit button there. Click it to open up your site editor. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top of the screen. This is where you'll access all the design and functionality tools for your website. On the left side panel, scroll down until you find Installed Apps. This section houses all the third-party apps and widgets you can add to your site. Click on Add App to open up Weebly's App Center. The App Center is essentially a marketplace filled with tools and features you can integrate into your website. In the search bar, type PayPal donation button. This will filter the results and show you the available options. Browse through the choices and select the one that best fits your needs. Once you've found the right app, click on it to open its details page. On the apps page, you'll see an Add button. Click it to begin the installation process. However, keep in mind that some apps require you to upgrade your Weebly account to a business plan before you can use them. If that's the case, you'll need to complete the upgrade first. After you've successfully added the app, navigate back to your website editor. You'll now see the PayPal donation button app listed under Installed Apps on the left side. From here, simply drag the app into the area of your website where you'd like it to appear. Position it wherever it makes sense for your layout and design. And that's it. You've successfully added a PayPal donation button to your Weebly site, making it easy for visitors to support your work or cause. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.